Now we're going to work on the cylinder, and first of all make sure your file is saved, Command S or Control S on the PC, and let's turn off our eyeball on the cylinder. We're going to make we're going to start painting the cone now, and just like we did with the cylinder, this video is just going to show you how to use the selection tools to make like a template. First step to make the cone template is to hover over the vertical ruler, click, hold, and drag, and put a vertical in there anywhere. It doesn't necessarily have to be in the center, but it'll snap to the center. Choose the elliptical marquee tool, and this is a little bit different. With the crosshairs somewhere towards the bottom of the canvas, put the crosshairs on that vertical guide you just made. Hold down the Option key or Alt on the PC. Option on Mac, Alt on PC. Hold that down. Click, hold, and drag, and by holding down Option or Alt, it expands from the center of the ellipse. So make a nice ellipse similar to what you see on the screen there. Let go. Now the thing we're going to do is use the Lasso tool to complete the ellipse. Come over here, and three tools down, it'll probably default, yours will probably default to this Lasso tool that's like this freehand lasso tool. Hit the drop down menu and choose the Polygon lasso tool. Okay, Polygon lasso tool. Come over to their guideline, hover over the guideline, hold down the Shift key, because we're going to add to the selection. Click once, let go. Come to the edge of your ellipse, and I'm going to pause. I'm going to pause here and zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, a little plus sign going right to the edge of my ellipse. I'm going to click, let go. Again, I'm going to pause here so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to the other edge of the ellipse. Click, let go. Then I'm going to connect up here to the top where I started my selection. Click, let go. And then it makes this nice cone shape. Select, save selection, call it cone, click OK, and that is where we'll end this video. Then we'll paint the cone in the next video.